Greetings YouTube, this is the retro old guy here, and today I'm going to show you the speed advantage of machine language versus basic by simulating a coin flip on a Commodore 64 using the random function. I don't have an actual Commodore 64, so this is all being done inside an emulator. Anyway, let's get to it with the demo of the program. First, let's load the program. This is a combination basic and machine language program which pokes the machine language routine into the memory and uses a sys command to call it. Okay, let's run the program, and we'll start with the machine language routine, which is doing 1 million iterations in 100,000 increments, and this will be in real time here. There you have it, 24 seconds to do 1 million iterations. Now moving on to the basic routine, which is doing 10,000 iterations. Now we won't wait for this to finish because it takes quite a while. And there you go, 1 minute 25 seconds. Alright, let's do a little math here. Of course, 1 minute 25 seconds will equal 85 seconds. 85 times 100 equals 8,500 seconds to do 1 million iterations in BASIC. Divide that by 60, which gives us 142 minutes, roughly, or 2 hours and 22 minutes in BASIC versus 24 seconds in machine language to do 1 million iterations. Okay, well that's it. Both the basic and machine language routines are highly optimized for speed and efficiency, and this is about the fastest I can get it to work. If you can create anything faster, please let me know in the comments. I'll post another video in the future that shows and explains my code in more detail. Alright, in closing, I'd like to give a quick shout out to the 8-bit guy whose channel I came across a couple 3 months ago, and it got me interested in reliving my days of owning and operating and learning to program the Commodore 64 computer. Alright, I will see you next time. Signing off.